Hi, I'm Veronica, and I created Venture Assist AI, a multi-agent system designed to assist with startup launches. I chose the coordinator dispatcher pattern. There are three main stages. The first begins when the user enters their query, which is sent to the multi-agent system. Users also have the option to authenticate via Google Auth at the start. The second stage involves receiving and processing the request. This is handled by the root agent, the venture coordinator agent. The third stage is the root agent's decision-making process, where to pass the request next. Each sub-agent has its own specific purpose, designated models, and functions. The idea validator agent and the market researcher agent both leverage the Gemini Pro models for fast and precise responses. The pitch deck generator agent and the summary saver agent utilize the lighter Gemini Flash model. Notably, the summary saver agent is equipped with two functions. The first creates a concise text summary, and the second saves this result directly to Google Drive. The logo creator agent generates a textual concept for a future image. The Meet Maker is interconnected with Google Calendar and Google Meet. My multi-agent system is fully embedded within the Google Cloud ecosystem. As a result of the entire multi-agent system's work, the user sees a refined answer displayed on their screen. The application is deployed on Google Cloud Run for the back-end and Firebase hosting for the front end. Now let's look at the front end. You can enter any common query or use the predefined prompts for startup founders as detailed in the testing instructions and the GitHub repository's README. To save documents to Google Drive, plan meetings, and create slides, authentication via Google is required. To do this, simply click the Connect Google button. After successful login, the user will see a green confirmation message. Now, you can command the agent to create and save a summary, and the document will then be available in your Google Drive. The logo creator agent will generate a concept description and save it directly into a Google slide. This description can then be used as a prompt in a tool like Google Imagen to generate the actual logo. The Meet Maker agent records the meeting in Google Calendar and provides a Google Meet link. I want to show you what happens on the back end. Using the Google Agent UI, on the left, you can see the operational flow of the entire multi-agent system. The coordinator intelligently sends the request to the appropriate agent. Thank you for your attention. I invite you to visit my GitHub repository, where you'll find detailed instructions on the agents, from idea to innovation. Venture Assist AI, your multi-agent path to startup success.